instead of building yet another app, you can just create content about your last app, the most recent one. Why? Because it's probably the best. Let me explain. My last app, for example, was an Excel formulas AI tool, an AI-powered Excel formula generator. So it creates instant formulas, formula explanations, works in any Excel, saves hours, loved by accountants. So here's how it looks. Now, the problem was no one used it. The truth is no one even knew about it. The real solution to get my app seen is actually this method. Find groups related to your app. So you just type the search accounting groups, then you join all of the groups one at a time. After you've joined these groups, you need to share it to those groups now. And the reason why is because when you share your accounting related app to these groups, they will actually appreciate it because they use these kinds of tools. They use Excel spreadsheet. They need to come up with formulas. And some accountants actually get overwhelmed by creating these formulas, so these people might actually appreciate it. The amazing thing is you can share to all of these groups in one go. So you created your content and now you're going to be sharing to the group. So let's look at the checklist here. Your app is ready. Find and join groups. Now you start sharing it. The amazing thing about sharing to groups is that you can do it all in one click using a nifty Chrome extension which I created called MGSA. You can find it in the Chrome Web Store, Multiple Group Share Assistant. It lets you share to all of the group. All of a sudden, you'll notice that your people are actually downloading your app or using it, whether it's on GitHub, in the Chrome store, if it's an iOS app, whether it's whatever it is, people will start actually downloading it. All of a sudden, you'll start getting your first sale. Instead of building another app, you're literally getting sales. So instead of building, stop building, start sharing, see the difference, and you'll actually see a financial growth. If this video changed the way you think in any way at all, follow me and like the video and even save it, because doing that will make the algorithm know that you are after learning about marketing. Everything you just heard right now was marketing information. This kind of information will modify your brain, will rewire your brain to stop thinking like a builder and start thinking like a marketer. And by the way, if you want to know if you're inflicted with the virus of never-ending building and you keep building more apps, it's very easy to know. If you have the Claude Max account, you're a builder and you need to downgrade to the Pro account like me. I inflicted with the exact same virus. It's called the builder virus. Now the AI's come, instead of playing games, we build apps. And the problem is we have 26 amazing apps, useful apps, which nobody knows about. You've got to follow this path. So save this video, like it and follow me, because that way you'll start learning how to market your products, your apps, the ones you've already created, and start actually making money from them.